everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've got an unboxing for you. This is the brand new Bona Vita by Belle Tress in the color British Milk Tea. Right now I'm wearing Lady Latte, also by Belle Tress in the color British Milk Tea. I wanted to kind of compare the two for you. On the stock photos, they seem very similar. And as always, I purchased my Bona Vita at Wig Studio 1. I will leave the link listed down below for you. I think I ordered Bona Vita back in June when it was first released, I guess. It was put on the website and I ordered it. I just received it yesterday. It took a while for it, but I think many of you know that Belletress was moving locations, so there was no shipping for a while. I think most of the month of October there was very limited shipping or no shipping. Anyway, here's Bona Vita. Let's open up the box. It has taken all of me not to open it up. All of me. Just for you all, I did this. Looks like a really pretty short style. For those of you that have a little bit of concern about heat-friendly fibers rubbing against your clothes, this is probably a really nice style because it's shorter. I'll give you the measurements in just a moment. But you know, from the stock photos, it seemed very similar to Lady Latte. So we're going to take a look at both. Lady Latte has a full mono top. We have a lace front, heat-friendly fibers, and it's a little bob. Seems to be the same length all the way around. I think it's so pretty. I love this wig. I wear it often. All right, here's Lady Latte. From the looks of it, we have a bit of an angle on here. And I'll tell you what the measurements are. The bang is 5.5 to 6 inches. The sides are 11. The nape is 3 inches and the back is 10. I don't know, those measurements don't really go with what I'm seeing here because I'm seeing much longer in the front. Okay, well the sides are 11 inches and the back is 10 inches. Therefore, we are going to have that angle. If you like the angled bobs, this might be one to try. Let's go ahead and comb it out. Because these are heat-friendly fibers, we're not going to have the reflection of light as we do in traditional fibers, so they're not going to be as shiny. All right, I mentioned that Lady Latte has a full mono top and Bona Vita has a left part all one piece with the lace front, no permatease whatsoever. Same as Lady Latte, there is no permatease and it's very light density. Felt covered ear tabs. We have a non-extended nape and we have pull type adjusters and a nice stretchy cap. If you're familiar with Belle Tress, you know that they run on the larger side of average. All right, let's get this girl on and see. I've been using the Belletress Wig Grip. I actually really like this one. It's working well. I had to go out earlier today and it was a bit windy outside and I wore it. I was wearing editor's pick. Held down nicely, no problem there. Definitely a little bit shorter than Lady Latte. On British Milk Tea, we have lighter fibers on the front, but we don't have so much of the band. It's kind of mixed in with the light brown. British Milk Tea is a blend of 8 different blondes with some light brown. we have from the very palest blonde to a dark blonde, and that's what makes up British milk tea. But you know, it almost seems as if it has a violet wash to it. It doesn't seem as blonde, if you will. I mean, there is blonde, obviously, because there's a lot of blonde in this color. All right, the fibers seem to be staying off my face. These fibers seem to want to come forward. So what I do, I take the Hair You Wear hairspray, and it has you could adjust it to low, medium, or high. So I am going to move it over to the low. This is a quick fix. Take a look at the ear tabs. Here are the ear tabs. Here is my hairline. So we have really nice coverage there. And the pretty fibers. I love this color. All right, I will show you BONA VITA on all sides. Yes, I'm thinking that it is an A-line or an inverted bob where we have it shorter in the back and longer in the front. Personally, I love this style. I think it's really, really pretty. I think it will be perfect like to wear with turtlenecks in the winter, and you won't have it rubbing against your shoulder. If you like an A-line but you want it it's a bit stacked. Definitely a little bit stacked, but without all of the permatease and all of that in it. The stacking seems to be due to the cut in the wig. So if you like these A-line bobs, these angled bobs, and you just want something maybe a little bit longer than, say, Ignite from John Renault, I think this is perfect because it is a little bit longer. Personally, I can't wear it that short in the back because of my very low hairline, but this seems to be just perfect. As I mentioned, this front is 5.5 to 6 inches right up here. My face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4, and then we have the sides that are 11 inches and the back that's 10 with a nape of 3 inches. So this to me, for me, it works really well. The weight on BONA VITA is 3.5 ounces. Since we have that beautiful lace front, we could just move it back. Add a pretty clip to it. I just get my clips on Amazon, if anyone is wondering. And you could hold it back. Go wear it with a headband. Oh yeah, I'm liking this one. I've been wanting a short style, but I didn't want it so short in the back, and I think this one is perfect. I also, like I mentioned, I didn't know that this was angled, and now I'm a big fan of angled. I love Sky by Aesthetica. Love it. It's a little bit longer in the front. So pretty. Look how pretty these, kind of feathery to the side. And I think these longer pieces on the side, I think they look so flattering, don't they? Really, really pretty. I am happy with this shorter style because I don't have shorter styles. This is perfect. All right, let's take a walk outside so you can see British milk tea out in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope you've enjoyed this review of BONA VITA by Belle Tress in the color British Milk Tea. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.